From Aliexpress I buy this module. And what is it? It's LCR T4 ESR meter, transistor tester, diode, triode, capacitance, SCR inductance, new M12 dropship. And it's $5 with 5% off. It was $5.37. LCR T4 graphical multifunction tester that measure resistance, capacitance, diode, SCR plus inductor and transistor MOSFETs with LCD 12864 LCD display with backlight. Backlight color is yellow green. Power supply 9-volt stacked battery. Okay. Automatic detection of NPN and PNP transistor, N-channel and P-channel MOSFETs, diodes including dual diodes, thyristor, transistor, resistors, capacitors and other components. $5 for this kind of tester. It's not too much. That's why I ordered it and I got it. No bubbles again. Why? It's extra protected with foam, the zip bag and bubbles. Alright. ESR stands for equivalent series resistance, and this tool is for that. The model is LCR-T4, $5 from Aliexpress. The link will be in description so you can check it. There is protective screen right here. I didn't see that, sorry. Wow. Take a look how beautiful is the design. With this orange PCB board we have 9-volt connector for plug-in 9-volt battery. This is powered by 9-volt. We have one tact switch or push switch that is for testing, and universal ZIF socket and the LCD screen. And this module can test or measure all components. Almost all. Let's plug in the battery first. Okay. Connecting in 3, 2, 1. Nothing happens. You need to press it? Yes! No. Unknown or damaged part. Okay. M tester testing. Unknown. Okay. And take a look how it looks at dark with that yellow green backlight. Press again. Testing. Awesome. I like it. Let's test something. Let's test some electronic components. First we're gonna try with resistor. This is, I think, 200 ohms. One 195 ohms. It's pretty close. Okay. This is 470 ohms and testing 457. Okay, let's try with 33 kilo ohms. Testing 32.8. Okay, next I'm gonna test the LEDs. Doesn't matter the polarity where you put on the ZIF socket. Testing, it blinks. Where is 2.7 volts drop voltage, 1 and 2. This side means negative and positive. Let's try the green one in opposite way. Testing. What it says? Why it's not testing? Testing. Why it took so long? 2 volts. Negative side on the left. Okay. Now the red one. By the way, down here it shows the voltage of the battery, 8.2 volts, 1.93 volts this red LED. Okay. We have a capacitor here. This one is 1000 microfarads, 16 volts, and before testing you need to discharge it. Okay, placing. I need to cut this. Okay. Testing. 1000 microfarads. What it says, 0.70 ohms the ESR, and it shows 1039. Let's try to measure this 220 microfarads. Discharging, placing in the ZIF socket, press, testing, 225 microfarads. Okay, this is good. Okay, now I'm gonna test a Schottky diode. Testing. Good. 680 millivolts, and it shows the sides, positive and the negative. And this one is a regular 1N4007 diode. (252 millivolts). Good. And I really don't know what transistor is this. B731. Let's test it. Press, testing. It says that is PNP transistor, and it shows the emitter, the collector and the base. And it's okay. This transistor works great. Okay. I have this one. It's not a transistor, but okay. What is it? What is it say? Testing. Testing. More testing. This is bad, probably. No, there are 2 diodes. 1, 2, 3. And it's a Schottky barrier rectifier with 2 diodes with 228 and 226 millivolts. Okay, let's test a MOSFET. Z44 MOSFET. Okay, press it. Testing. Wow! Look! Gate, source, drain, 1, 2, 3. And MOSFET. Alright. Meaning that this guy is okay. Now I'm gonna test this inductor. And what is say? Testing. Inductor. 0.2 ohms, 0.01 millihenry. Okay, let's try another this one. Let's try this one, but if I can, I will hold it because the wires are too fat. What is say? Inductor 0.2 ohms, 0.54 millihenries. This thing is my favorite toy or tool that every electronics enthusiast need to have it, and it's only $5. I will make a 3D printed case for this, but that will be another video and another project. Oh, I didn't try the capacitors. Okay, test. This thing is, I think, 534 nanofarads, but it's 560. One more time, 534. What do you say? 534 nanofarads. It's close with 0.34. Okay. Let's try the smaller. This is 330 picofarads. Testing. 330 picofarads. 327 picofarads. Good. This is pretty cool and useful tool with LCD screen. I like it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Another great find on Aliexpress.